Welcome to Viral OD, where I manage to bag up all your viral fixes for all types of viral addicts. Let's go! Oh, what are they doing with this cat here? Oh, the cat is tweaking. It looked like the cat is tweaking. Oh, well, what do we have here? Is that how they fish nowadays? Wow. No fishing line? Okay, and ye shall cast ye nets to the right side. Wow. Wait. Wow. Is it a storm? That's not even a fish, dude. Whoa. Is that a stingray? Whatever comes out goes in. Pretty. Whoa. The ship is going to crash. The ship. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my God. Is that intentional? That was intentional? Is that how they get ships on? I always. Whoa. And he can whip. He can definitely whip. Don't do it, dude. Don't. You might have a broken leg if you miss. Wow, that is amazing. I was a BMX back in the day. What does this machine do? Oh, that is a powerful machine. Pretty amazing. Oh, wow. Just put some wings on it and you'll go airborne. Whoa, that's pretty amazing. How fast were they going? What? I'm confused. What is going on? Is this how it's done? Is this reverse tanning? Wow, looks painful. Looks pretty painful. What? Wow. Is this how you're supposed to do the seesaw? I've been deprived of my childhood. This is amazing. I want to try it. I'm going to try it. What is a bird? Oh, a fox? Birds can carry animals? Whoa. Oh my God. That's too much playing, dude. Too much playing. Another dangerous swing with a death wish attached to it. Pretty dangerous. Okay. This is a dangerous job. This is a dangerous job. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Please. Whoa. Oh my. Hold on, dude. Dude, hold on. Don't let go. Wait, how are you going to get down? I'm not going to worry about that. Whoa. Pretty cool, dude. Pretty cool. Oh, dribble. And that's how it's done. Oh. Pranksters. More pranksters. Okay. Come closer. Have you had your viral fix yet? Get help.